So this is David's first throw. We'll see. Whoops!
Blessed adventure. It's a blessed adventure.
So something else I've always wanted to do, bucket list day. Wait a minute. Oh, you're just practicing.
Oh, yeah, that's all right. You got it.
So we're doing axe throwing today. So this is how I think I'm going to take out the rope, fence, and the backboard.
Over top.
But this,
No, we're not.
we're just videoing.
Ricochets.
And so we're just going to have some fun. What do you think?
Bullseyes every time.
I won't even say
It's
that.
a bullseye somewhere.
Well, that's true. That's
Just act
true.
like the whole big wall's red. It'll be a bullseye.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, can we paint the whole thing red? All right, I'm gonna shut this gate for you to actually throw.
My fingers at the thing.
Oh, you gotta point your fingers there and your dominant foot out. Whoop, nope.
Forward.
Gotta get the foot right, the fingers right. I think it's a little harder than what you think.
Have to step back. Oh, that might be. Oh, that's it.
Is it harder than what you think?
It is. Trying to get the rotation.
Oh, there you go.
There it is.
There you go.
You got to figure out the rotation of where your release is,
Uh-huh.
and then it gets a little bit easier. But you know, you still that practice. He's had to practice a few times. To get
I'd say he practiced a few times.
You missed the one.
You made it rubber?
Ooh, it's on. Oh, looky there.
Huh? Like money.
Oh, I better get that down.
Yeah,
I
because
would
you.
like to throw too, so, but I don't want to hit the thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, what you gotta get your rotation again. You can stop. All right, here we go. Kim's first attempt.
I wasn't paying attention. Did you do like this?
Up above your head, and then just point your finger right in the middle. See, do you feel that?
I do.
Yeah, so just kind of point your finger up a little bit higher. Yeah, take one step. All right. You kind of released that one up top. You didn't come all the way through. Oh, yeah! Look at you. Woohoo! See, you did it quicker than I did.
Did you take a picture?
I have a video. Hold on, wait a minute. Half step forward. Here we go. One more time. Well, too high. You released that one too high again.
Act like you're.
Close to the road, so he didn't know what to expect. He said so. He's got some relationships built up with the cruise people, but he didn't set up excursions this year because he just wasn't sure. So he
that
said,
would be awesome to offer that to them.
yeah, next year he said, oh yeah.
Okay, go.
One more time. See if I can get a bullseye with you with a video.
Oh, close.
Hitting the board.
Yeah, I think that's not going to be good. That's going to go.
Oh, we got closed
Oh,
in.
I let
Closed
it go.
in, you're good.
I let it go on that one.
Don't forget to point your finger. You go. This one's on.
Oh,
All right, your turn.
It's your turn.
almost.
Got the fun, didn't get the other. One more again.
Oh! Awesome.
Double threat. All right, we got Rye out here hooking up some big bait for some halibut. Yeah, we got it set up there. Got out to the halibut spot. We got the rigs all set up, and we're gonna put out a couple big baits and then a couple herrings and a couple bellies.
Yeah, bait swim. All right, whoever wants to drop this one can.
I'm good if nobody's going. Did you want to go down?
All right, so we got two up. We're gonna get some measurements on it. Of course, mine's is the big. Of course, mine's is the bigger one of the two. So Kim's hooked up.
See if those other two are overs that you can decide if you keep them.
Got another one on here. And Kim's hooked up. Keep cranking. Take it. Yeah, it's not going anywhere. Just, huh? All right. So we'll get this one up and we'll see.
I think we need them. Yeah, we're good on overs.
All right, Kim got the biggest one on the boat so far. It's a 36-incher. She's a killer. She's a fish killer. We ended up having a great day fishing in Seward. Within 2 hours, we had limited out on halibut, and then we moved over to a rockfish spot, and within 45 minutes, we were limited out on rockfish. And then we finished up the rest of the day fishing for salmon. We ended up only with 10 salmon on the boat for the day. All these fish were caught by this awesome crew, and thanks to Captain Rye, we had an awesome day fishing in Seward, Alaska. We hope you enjoyed our view of a little axe throwing and looking at the bounty of fish we ended up catching while we were in Seward. We would have hoped to have gotten a lot more video during the fishing charter, but as soon as we put the poles in the water, the action was on, and it was non-stop action almost the rest of the day. So we didn't catch much footage after that first little bit. If you haven't subscribed yet, please push that subscribe button so you can be notified when we post our next video. And we thank you for following along with Noah's Blessed Adventures. And leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up, share us with your friends. And as we always say, hope you have a blessed day. And we thank you.